Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new lesson of English Grammar class 6. It is on page 39. It is about determiners. Well students, as you are well aware that we have two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite. And these articles are actually a, an and the. These are called articles. In the book we can see that some words are denoted with red. These are articles. Like I have a picture of for framing. I want to buy an umbrella from market. The umbrella I bought yesterday is defective. Well, we can say the determiners are the words. They are also known as articles. They are used before a noun, a pronoun or adjective, and they tell us about the quantities which are countable and uncountable. So we can say that they tell us about the quantities of a noun which can be counted or which are uncountable. We have some more examples, like statement 1 is, can I have some sugar please? I think you can add a little more sugar in my tea. I have many dresses. I plan to give a few of my dresses in charity. I saw lots of birds in the park. All these words in the red tell us quantity or numbers about nouns or pronouns. Well, as I have already told you, that all these words which are denoted with red, like some, a little, and many, all these words they show about the quantity of a thing or about the number of a noun or a pronoun. They are called determiners. We use words like both, most, several, little, a lot, a few, some, many, much when we are talking about quantity or numbers. Come to the bottom of the page. Here we use a lot of and lots of and many and much when we talk of large quantities. Well, it is shown that when we're talking about the things which have large quantities, we use the word like much, many, lot of, and lots of. And the words like a lot of and lots of are used before noun or pronoun that can be counted. So when we are talking about nouns and pronouns which we can not count, which are uncountable, then we use the word like a lot of and lots of, because definitely we can't count the numbers. Here given are some words which show us the quantity when we have to complete the sentences, the three statements, by picking up the words from the list. Here in statement 1, we have to tell the words which are used before uncountable nouns like a lot of, lots of, many, and several. These are used before uncountable nouns. And the words or the determiners which we use before singular nouns are a little, each, every, and one. And a few, all, both, much, many, and several. These are used before plural nouns when we are talking about the things or nouns. We must say plural nouns. When we are talking about plural nouns, we use these determiners. Turn the page. Copy the sentence in your book, but we will solve these statements over here. Fill in the blanks with a lot of or lots of. So we are given only two choices. We have to fill in the blanks by using these two determiners. I have a lot of work to do. It means I have plenty of work to do. And the second is lots of people gathered along both the sides of the road to welcome the queen. It means many people. Lots of means many people gathered along the sides to greet the queen. And the third one, Mr. James Stewart has lots of money, means great sums of money. It is showing the quantity that he is having. uh, Lots of money means a huge sum of money. He is one of the 5 richest men of the world. Practice C is use many or much in the following sentences. I have many good friends who always help me when I need them. When we are talking about number, we are going to use many. It means I have many good friends. We are talking about the numbers. Come to statement 2. I have read many good books. Again, we are telling about the number of books which I have read. These are good. Statement 3 is how much luggage is allowed on the domestic airline. When we are talking about quantity, when talk about the quantity of a thing, we are going to use much. Here, much luggage means we are talking about the quantity of luggage. How much luggage is allowed on the domestic airline. D is you have to fill in the blanks with a few, a little and little. There is a little milk left in the bottle. Second one is we shall touch down the John F. Kennedy Airport in a few hours. And the third one, a few of my friends have a laptop. Means only a few number of people, few of my friends have laptop. Now come to the practice. You have to copy. You have to fill up the blanks over here with more suitable determiners. Okay. Not many people turned up for the meeting. It rained so much that the roads were flooded. Now you can see in the first example we're talking about the number of people, so we have filled it up with many people. In second statement we are talking about the quantity of the water. It rained so much, so we have filled it up with much. Third one, I still have a lot of work to do, means I have to do plenty of work. And fourth one is Alex spends lots of his time watching television, means great time, or means we can say Alex spends much of his time. Lots of means much of his time watching the television. Come to page 41. We have to complete the sentences which are on the column B, and we have to fill them up with some suitable determiners, and we have to match them with the sentences which are in column A. And we have to fill up the blanks by using words some, any, and lot. I have already done it for you. I am going to read it so it will be more comprehensive for you. Number 1. I have already numbered it. Do you mind drinking milk without sugar today? This statement goes with this statement 1. It goes with this. I am afraid we don't have any sugar in the house. Second, the program was good, but we couldn't stay till the end. This statement goes with so we missed a lot of it. Third, I hope you will be very careful while using this paint. Don't spill a lot. I wonder what he does with his pocket money. It goes with he never has any. In the fifth one, there are many people expected at the party. We will probably need paper plates and napkins. And this statement goes with I will go to the market and get some. So the students' lesson is done. You have to learn it by heart. Thank you.